Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. Here at the recovery mode, at this menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader. And after that, you will enter Fastboot mode. The small letters here saying Fastboot mode, which is the proof that we are in the Fastboot mode right now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.